Welcome to this video. I am going to show how to fix black screen issues. Click search bar and type Device Manager. Click Device Manager. Click Display Adapters. Select your display adapter. Right-click and update driver. Search automatically for drivers. Wait. Installation complete and click Close. Close window. Click search bar and type Update. Click Windows Update Settings. Click Check for updates. After completed, click Close. Right-click your not working application and click Properties. Click Compatibility. Check Run this program in compatibility mode. Try Windows 7 and Windows 8. Check Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Check Run this program as an administrator. Apply and OK. Try opening the app. If that didn't work, right-click Start menu. Open Task Manager. Click Startup. Disable Not Used Applications. Close window. Open Internet browser. Go to the website, link in the description. Click Download. Install downloaded file. Click I accept the agreement and click Next. Uncheck Install the Bean bar and click Next. Installation complete and click Finish. Close DirectX website. Go to the website, link in the description. Download 3 files. Install downloaded file. Click I agree to the license terms and conditions and click Install. If it fails to install, no problem. Repeat for the other. Click Close. Repeat for the other. Click Close. Close Internet browser. Click search bar and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and click Run as administrator. Type SFC scan now. Wait. After completed, close window and restart your PC. Problem solved. Like and subscribe.